Don't buy a card. Make this instead. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful pop-up heart flower card. When you open it, it blooms into a 3D heart flower, perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or surprising someone special. It's beginner-friendly, aesthetic, and super affordable to make. For this project, you'll need colored paper or cardstock, scissors, glue pencil, optional stickers, or decorations. You can customize the colors depending on the occasion. Red and pink for romantic vibes, or pastel tones for a softer aesthetic look.
Don't take long. Made with love just for you. Simple things can feel brand new. Open it and you will see a little piece of me. Handmade dreams in pink and white, wrapped in warmth and candlelight. Handmade dreams in pink and white, wrapped in warmth and candlelight. Paper hearts and little signs, tiny sparks and simple lines, scissors, glue and pastel skies, magic in my hands tonight. Slowly folding piece by piece, turning quiet into sweet. Folded with love, just for you. Made by hand, simple and true. Open the light, let it shine through. Folded with love, just for you. Just for you. Made with fold the paper, hold it close. Little secrets no one knows. Every line and every part comes together from the heart. Scissors cut, but love stays strong. Tiny moments don't take long. Made with love just for you. Simple things can feel brand new. Open it and you will see a little piece of me. Handmade dreams in pink and white, wrapped in warmth and candlelight. Handmade dreams in pink and white, wrapped in warmth and candlelight. project feels like art. Made it myself, step by step. Little mess, no regrets. Every day do I my way. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Create it cute, yeah, let it stay. Cut it out, line it up, turning small ideas into love. Colors pop, feeling bright. DIY hits.
When you open it, you'll see the heart flower pop up. Now we make it personal. You can add stickers, draw small hearts, write romantic messages, add glitter accents. Handwritten notes make it more meaningful than printed cards. You can write, I love you, you're my sunshine, forever and always, best boyfriend/girlfriend. Encourage personalization. Make it match your relationship or the person you're gifting it to. Handmade gifts feel more special because someone took time and effort. You don't need expensive materials, just creativity and intention. This kind of card is perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, long-distance relationships, birthdays, or just a random surprise. Look how it blooms like a heart flower. Simple, romantic, and made with love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more aesthetic DIY crafts. Let me know in the comments, who would you gift this to?